What is going on, everybody? It is Aaron Cates and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be polishing the 22x14s that we got for the Ford. Now originally I was planning on powder coating these, but things didn't go in my favor and didn't go the way I had originally planned. I had paid to have these stripped and everything. I was going to powder coat them. That didn't work out. I kind of took a loss on that one, lost a couple dollars that I didn't really need to spend. Could have left these the way they were, but you know, maybe everything works out for a reason. Maybe these are gonna polish out great and gonna change the whole look of the Ford. We never know. But if you guys remember, a couple videos ago, my polisher broke when I was polishing my Forces, and I haven't bought another one since. So I have to go buy another one today so we can do these wheels, and hopefully everything turns out great. I'll show you a look at the one that's on the ground over here because I already went ahead and did a little hand polish on it, and it didn't turn out too bad. So this area right here is where I hand polished, but they are reflective. I know they're not going to be the same finish as the Forces, but I don't want something that looks like crap. So if they don't polish out to at least like a Cali Summit or some off-brand polished rim, then I'm just gonna pay someone to powder coat them black. It's just gonna come down to that. But we're gonna see today if they polish out good. But first, I have to go get a new grinder. So let's get a little cold start on the truck and then get out of here. Oh, a little while later, we are back. We have our new variable speed polisher and sander. It's the same exact one I had before that broke. The reason it broke was kind of my fault, so nothing against good old Harbor Freight, but we also got an air compressor. I've needed one forever, and I mean forever. I've never actually owned an air compressor, and I've needed one for quite some time now. So I was there. I always check the clearance section at Harbor Freight. They had it for $120. It's a 21 gallon, 2.5 horsepower, 125 PSI air compressor. I've needed one for a while now. So I picked it up. I picked up some air hose, and we got some oil for the air compressor because it is an oiled one. I didn't want to get oil free because oil free is how they don't last as long if they're oil free. So we got a oiled air compressor. Now for the actual part of this video, polishing this rim. As you can see, it's a little reflective. Out of straight curiosity, I'm just going to start with our cut pad. Just gonna go ahead and cut it, see if it will actually shine out, or if we have to take my prep wheel right here and sand this wheel up and get it prepped to be cut. Like always, guys, everything will be linked down in the description. It'll be all Amazon links to everything I have, except for this Drill Master. I don't know if this is on Amazon or not. If it's on Amazon, it'll be an Amazon link. If not, it'll be a Harbor Freight link. But everything is always linked down below. So I'm gonna jump in and go ahead and start cutting. I'm just gonna cut this little section right here and see how it shines up. Okay, well, here is one that is polished, and as you can tell, yeah, it's reflective until you get like right here, and then it's just nothing but lines. From a distance, I mean, even from right here, they look good. The farther back you get, the better they look. I mean, all the way over here, they look great. But the second you get up close to them, you see all the lines that are in them. Now, I went over them, I think 2 or 3 times with my prep wheel, which is basically like a Scotch-Brite pad. It sands it. It's supposed to take out any like fine scratches, anything like that. It's supposed to make it a smooth surface. It made it very smooth, but these need a lot of sanding. And even then, I think since these aren't forged aluminum, I think since of how they were made, they have those little lines in them, and they will always have those lines. I'm sure I could probably spend 20 hours sanding them and get it to shine pretty good, but it would never shine like my Forces no matter what I do. And that's kind of the look I was wanting. I didn't think it was going to get that way, but you guys all wanted to see them polished. I polished it, and it doesn't look that good. All I did was cut it. There's no point in coloring it because it's not going to get any better than what it is. So I already reached back out to the guy that stripped them to have them powder coated, and he wants quite a bit of money to powder coat them. Says that they still have to be sandblasted again. He said all he did was strip them. They still have to be sandblasted. I don't know a lot about powder coating, but why would a powder coat shop have a strip tank to strip powder coat if you still have to sandblast them in the end? Why wouldn't you just sandblast them from the beginning? Doesn't make sense to me, but whatever. Since now that I have this air compressor over here, I'm thinking that I'm gonna try painting them. I'm gonna buy a paint gun and everything, and just sand them down with a Scotch-Brite pad, prime them, and paint them, and see if we can get a nice paint job out of them. My end goal is selling these. I won't tell you guys what, but we are going with a brand new rim and tire setup. I've already got tires locked down. It's just getting the rim locked down. But we are getting a brand new setup for the Ford. So these 22x14s have to go, because I'll just say we're doing bigger and better. But the 22s got to go, but I have to get them to some type of good finish so I can sell them. Because right now, nobody's going to buy those, not looking like that. So we got to get them cleaned up somehow. Even if it comes down to spray painting them again, we'll do a nice, good spray paint job on them, since they are completely stripped and smooth. If that's what it comes down to, that's what it comes down to. But we got to get rid of them. So you guys all wanted the video of them being polished, and I brought it to you guys. I didn't think it was going to turn out good. It really didn't turn out that great. I guess it's better than what they originally looked like, but it's not what I wanted. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, drop a like down on this video, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.